Guys, today we will discuss about what is economics. So this video is basically for 12th class people, but if you people are from higher standard, then also you can watch this video. So basically what is economics? It is a subject. I will tell you how with the help of this small pretty diagram you can reach to a definition which you guys will write in your exam. So what is economics? It is a subject that deals with what? Rational management. So what is rational management? Basically what does rational means? It means sophisticated, or we can use the word wise. That means buddhiman. Rational means buddhiman. So buddhimati de naal management. So well, we know that economics is broadly categorized into two groups, macro and micro. So what does macro means? Macro means small. Well, it is taken from the Greek word micros, which means small, and macro is also taken from the Greek word that was macros, that means large. So what is rational management on macro level and what is rational management on macro level? So on micro level, what is it? That the user will maximize his satisfaction, and what the producer will do? Maximize his profit. As we know, in the market there are two groups of people. First, the one who buys it. So what we want to get as a user or as a consumer, or you can say as a buyer, we want to maximize our satisfaction. And what a producer want to do? He want to maximize his profit. So at micro level, this is basically our user wants to get maximum satisfaction and producer want to get maximum profit. And on the macro level, the country uses the resources, because in this the economy is taken as whole. Economy is taken as whole. Well, we will also differentiate it and I will provide you a diagram of its differentiation. But firstly, we will get that how rational management work in macroeconomics. So, economy is taken as whole. Country uses the resources that maximize his GDP, so that country can maximize the GDP. What is GDP? GDP is basically gross domestic product. As well as social welfare of people can be positive. So what is social welfare of people? This basically means that welfare of people of the country can be done. So what can be next after rational management? So for what things we will do rational management? Well, we will do the rational management of resources. So what kind of resources we will do rational management? The resources that are scarce. So scarce means limited. That means जिन्ना दी already कमी हैगी आ. So ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਕੀ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾਊਗਾ? Rational management ਕੀਤੀ ਜਾਊਗੀ. Why? So that optimum utilization can be done. What is optimum utilization? That means best possible utilization can be done and best possible outcome can be achieved and maximum profit can be earned. Thus, in the definition, you can say it is a subject that deals in rational management of scarce resources so that optimum utilization can be done. So this is basically the definition. We won't say that this is just related to maximum profit. No. Why? Because it is also related to satisfaction also. On the micro level and on the macro level, it is taken, the whole country is taken as a whole, and country uses the resources in this way that it can maximize the GDP as well as the social welfare of people can be done. So resources are used in that way. The next thing that is done is the next possible question that is asked in almost every exam. That is, what is economic problem? So what is economic problem? You get to know about what is economics. कि resources जो कि खत्म होने वाली ने या जिन्ना दी कमी आ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਬੈਸਟ ਪੋਸੀਬਲ ਵੇ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰਨਾ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ? ਇਕਨੋਮਿਕਸ ਹੁੰਦਾ. ਤਾਂ ਇਕਨੋਮਿਕ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਕੀ ਹੋਏਗੀ? ਡੈਫੀਨੇਟਲੀ ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਰਿਲੇਟਡ ਹੋਏਗੀ. ਸੋ ਫਸਟ ਇਕਨੋਮਿਕ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਇਜ਼ resources are scarce. resources are scarce, which means resources are limited. And second problem is resources have alternative use. So what does this means? Alternative, that means different. Alternative means different uses. ਕੀ ਨੇ resources ਥੋੜੀਆਂ ਨੇ, resources ਦੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ uses ਨੇ ਉਹ different ਨੇ. ਜਿਵੇਂ ਹੁਣ ਆਪਣੇ ਕੋਲ ਇੱਕ ਖੇਤ ਆ, ਹੁਣ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਕੱਠਾ ਸਬਜ਼ੀਆਂ ਤੇ ਫਰੂਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਉਗਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੈਗੇ. ਆਪਣੇ ਕੋਲ ਥੋੜੀ ਜਿਹੀ ਜ਼ਮੀਨ ਆ, ਜਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਾਂ ਫਰੂਟ ਹੀ ਉਗਾਵਾਂਗੇ ਜਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੈਜੀਟੇਬਲਸ ਹੀ ਉਗਾਵਾਂਗੇ, है ना. यही चीज़ आ. फॉर एग्जाम्पल थोड़े कोल 100 रुपीज़ ने, however this rupees has nothing to do with this economics related subject, but if we talk about the things, then you are having 100 rupees. For example, your school fee is also 100, so and also your tuition fee is also 100. So what you guys will pay? Okay, resources are scarce, but it has alternative uses. Like this 100 rupees you can utilize here also, and this 100 rupees you can utilize here also, in your school fee also, or in your tuition fee also. So how you will use it, that depends upon how rationally you manage your resources. ਹੁਣ ਖੇਤ ਕਿਹੜੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਵਰਤਿਆ ਜਾਊਗਾ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਕਾਹਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਡਿਪੈਂਡ ਕਰੂਗਾ? ਰੈਸ਼ਨਲ ਮੈਨੇਜਮੈਂਟ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ. So definitely that thing is important. So what is economic problem? The fundamental fact that had led to emergence of economic problem is twofold characteristics of resources. First, resources are scarce, and second, resources have alternate uses. So I hope you got this point, and in the next upcoming video I will show you a diagram that will differentiate between macro and microeconomics. So please stay tuned.